What's going on, Pokemon World and Tokusatsu Multiverse? It's Pokesatsu here, and welcome to episode 4? 4 of the Pokemon Gaia playthrough here on the channel. Now, in the last episode I said I was probably going to make my way through this path here to try and find the next area to go to, and then I realized, oh yeah, I have to find the second opening to the Arkan Tunnel, Arkan Cave or something. So I'm actually not done here yet. So I'm actually going to go back into the forest I was just in, because I think I missed out on some items, and I have Cut now. So I'm probably going to find something that can learn Cut and go that way. Oh, that's Rock Climb. Rock Climb in Gen 3. Interesting. But what I want to do is I want to go back into that forest, because I know for a fact I did miss a TM, so I'm going to go ahead and go back and get that. Hopefully it is something useful for the team. If not, then oh well, but I really want to get it, because it might be something I can use. A Bunnelby, let's go. Bunnelby is definitely my favorite Route 1, I guess, rat Pokemon, because I love how it becomes a ground type when it evolves. I just wish it was better. I really wish it was better. Can I? Excuse me. I have to teach Cut. I haven't taught Cut anything yet. But that's fine. I'll just go ahead and make my way back through. Excuse me. Make my way back through here and see what I've missed. Because up here is where that guy was. So I think I have to have Cut. Can either of my Pokemon learn it, though? Durandal can. And it's a bug move? What? Okay. That's interesting. Honestly, just to have more type coverage, I'll probably get rid of it later. I'm going to get yelled at in the comments, probably. I'm actually going to get rid of Pound. I'm going to learn Cut with Piplup. See, it said Bug, but that's, I think, the electric TM thing. So now I am confusion. But that's fine. Make our way through to Cut here. There's another trainer. Alright. People around here are so concerned with ghost types. I'm not scared of them. I'm friends with them. Okay. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and just switch to Nala, because fire, and it's normal, I think, so it's immune to the ghost move. Yep. Perfect. We're gonna go ahead and Ember. Now, honestly, I'm thinking this episode is going to be pretty short, maybe in the 10-minute range, with the reason being that what? A Murkrow? I'm gonna stay in. Maybe 10 to 12-minute range, with the reason being that I have other things that I need to do today. I have some stuff to do offline and want to get them done. But I also do plan on, before Sunday night, having at least maybe 7 or 8 episodes up. And I want to do that. I want to do that so bad. Because this would be episode 4. And then I'm going to... Now, I forget, does Ghost resist Bug? It does. Okay. I have a couple things to do, but I want to get this done because I want to start doing Friday, Saturday, Sunday uploads, as I've mentioned in the past. And I even mentioned it in the description down below. Speaking of the description, I wanted to point this out to you guys, that I have a Instagram account and a Facebook page linked in there, if you guys wouldn't mind going over there and checking those out, maybe giving me a follow, I would really appreciate that. I'm trying to be more active posting on Instagram and Facebook again because I made the Facebook page on a whim one day and never touched it for like months. And then I posted on there and then didn't touch it for a couple months. And then Instagram, I was posting every day, 3 times a day for so long. And then I got burnt out on it. So now I'm wanting to start posting maybe once or twice a week. And I want to do that too. And below those, it says Discord server will go here when I get to 100 or 200 subs. Hidden power. Okay. And the reason behind that is I've had a Discord server in the past on this channel. And not just part of the channel, but also like part of that Instagram account. And I just was like, yeah, I want to do this. I want to keep this going. And whoever wants to join, go ahead and do that. But it got to where I was so busy at work that, and with other things in my life, that I genuinely lost interest in doing it. And I hate that. Because all that happens when you lose interest in something and people are dedicated to it is you're letting people down. And I hate that kind of thing. I hate letting people down. For instance, I said, well, actually, excuse me. I said that I would be posting every Monday on Instagram later last year. And then I think I've gone the past 2 Mondays without posting anything. Uh-oh, Durandal is evolving. Do, 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 do. And da da da. Metal Claw? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. And we're honestly getting rid of Growl, so I can have 4 different moods of different types, so that I can have a lot more coverage. Making our way back here now. Is this a Flabébé? Can it be? No. Okay. We're making our way back out, and making our way back to the town. And honestly, but as I was saying, I really want to get back into... Excuse me for a second. Excuse me. I'm so sorry for anyone that doesn't like doesn't like coughing or any sounds like that when they're watching a video. If it sounds gross, I apologize. I said in previous videos I've been fighting something the past while, and it sounds like it's starting to break up, so maybe I'll sound better in the next upcoming days or upcoming videos on this channel. We'll see. I hope I am, because I'm getting tired of this. Come on, go where I told you to. But, yeah, I was talking about the social media stuff. And I know that people are going to say, quit, trying to get people to go to other social medias. We don't care about that stuff. We don't want to go there. We want to watch you here, or we want to see your posts there. And I'm trying to, like, branch the two into each other. But I don't know. I want to make both communities come together. Oh, over here is a second opening. Okay. And I thought they'd show up. Oh, there they are. Zachary! Oh, Zachary. That looks like the exit we were looking for. I'll go and get Mike. Uh-oh, we're in Ark and Tunnel again. Whoa. How have I never found this before? This tablet is fascinating. It looks a lot like the one in Arkentown, doesn't it? These glyphs at the base, they seem familiar. I remember now. An old friend of mine used to study this language. His name is Jesus Christ. His name is Herschel. He's a Pokemon trainer too. If we're going to translate this tablet, we'll certainly need him. Last I heard, he was headed to our city to curate its museum. Two of you should go and find him. Alright, Zachary. I'll race you to Air City. Alright, let's make our way. I'm sorry for any... I know I need to quit apologizing for this or just stop recording. But I genuinely want to keep going. And I'm probably going to start, hitting end record or, stop the recording if I start having a fit like that again. Because it's starting to piss me off. And I'm sorry if that feels like a crash out or anything. I'm not trying to. But genuinely, I want to keep uploading. I want to keep going with this series. I want to keep doing this. I put it off for so long. I had no time. Then I had plenty of time and did nothing with it. Now I want to get back into it, knowing I'll have a good amount of time and a good amount of energy. And the thing holding me back now is sinuses. That's it. So, I'm going to start probably, pausing the recording or ending the recording if I start having problems like that again. Because it's making me so mad how I can't find a good way to balance time, health, energy, and work. Anyone else feel that way? I said that like y'all can respond to me. I'm not sitting in my room by myself. Anyway. We're gonna make our way to the next place. Bug types are weak. Bug types suck. I'll show them. I'll show you too. Oh, we about to cook this, man, chat. Chat. Go, Durandal. Use bird. Use bird again. Surskit? Okay. Durandal, use bird. Oh, bug catcher Michael. This just proves I suck. Bug types aren't weak. My guy, there's 4 good bug types. And I'm willing to bet only 2 of them are in this game. Alright, this is Snubble. I'm hoping to, before episode maybe 5 or 6, get another team member. That'd be fun. But let's see, is there an item up here? There's something up here. Hee hee hee, from behind my cunning disguise, I emerge. Alright, brother, let's see what you got. Zubat, okay. Use water. Show him the power of that ocean history. Nah, I'm sorry. I know I've been a little out of pocket this episode. I'm gonna switch into Nala. I want to continue making content. I want to keep going and making content and enjoy it. But it seems like every time I have no time is when I want to. When I have so much time, I can't, because I have something else to do. And there's reason number 3. What is this? Okay, the yellow shard guy, whatever. That's another Blitzel. Another Blitzel. I don't know if I want to do that double battle yet. Just keep using bubble. It'll be alright. Nah, actually... Jesus. If I cough one more time, I'm ending the episode. And it's no fault of the viewer. It's no fault of the game. It is the fault of myself. And I'm not trying to sound dramatic there, but I genuinely feel a tickle in the back of my throat right now like I'm gonna cough again. And I don't want to. So, it might be for the rest of this episode, I might stay a little quiet and work my way up to the finale. Or the... crap. Until the end of the episode. You don't know embarrassment. I'm coughing on camera. Honestly, except for me feeling sick and having problems with my throat, this was a W episode. We went and got a TM. We battled some trainers. Moved the plot along. Now we're in the next city. I'm gonna go rest my throat for a while. Maybe gargle some salt water or something. I'm sorry for anyone who saw this episode, got grossed out, and maybe left halfway through. I'm terribly sorry about that. But I want to keep making videos. I'm going to keep making videos. So this is going to be the most sad I've ever done one of these outros, but whether you're trained to be the very best like no one ever was, or just trying to ride or kick it up a notch, just remember that you've got this. And I'll see you in the next episode. Take care of yourself better than I am.